Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate mobile deposit with Chase. Check deposit setup step by step clearly. To activate mobile deposit with Chase, start by opening the Chase mobile app on your device. Sign in to your Chase account using your username and password. If you do not have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once logged in, navigate to the Deposit tab at the bottom of the screen. Select Deposit Checks from the options presented. If this is your first time using mobile deposit, you may need to accept the terms and conditions. Read the terms carefully and tap Accept to continue. Next, select the account where you want to deposit your check. Enter the amount of the check you are depositing. Follow the prompts to take a picture of the front of your check. Make sure the check is well lit and in focus for a clear image. Then, take a picture of the back of your check, ensuring your signature is visible. Review the images to ensure they are clear and legible. If everything looks good, tap Deposit. You will receive a confirmation message once your deposit is submitted. Keep the check for a few days until you confirm that the deposit has cleared. That's it. You've successfully activated mobile deposit with Chase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.